Welcome to today's video, where we tackle a common problem in calculating growing degree days with different bases using our programming. So, our problem statement involves wanting to find the number of growing degree days for each base for 10 days worth of fake temperature data without using a for loop. Tricky, right? Now, diving into the solution provided, we focused on encapsulating the tmin and tmax values within a list, and then employing the maply function with our gdd_func function. By using list tmin and list tmax, we were able to successfully calculate the growing degree days for each of the 3 bases across the 10 days. The output showcased the gdd values for each base, providing the desired results we aimed for. In summary, by structuring our temperature data within lists and harnessing the power of maply, we officially computed the growing degree days for multiple bases without the need for a cumbersome for loop. And there you have it, problem solved. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe for more programming tips, and don't forget to hit the like button. Remember, coding is cool, but coding jokes are data-tastic.